everyone and welcome to day 3 of Inktober. Today I'm illustrating Masala Dosa, which is a South Indian dish. For those who don't know, dosa is like a pancake and the potato stuffing inside is known as the masala. I followed Kamna Chopra's recipe from Khana Manpasand channel. I've added the link in the description for the recipe if you want to give it a try. If you are doing Inktober too, then please leave your details in the comments so we could all check it out for inspiration. So I will let you enjoy the rest of the video. Remember to like, subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye.